We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets.
Hello my amazing family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you all for tuning in. Happy Friday y'all, and I wish you all a very blessed weekend. Alright y'all, let's get right into it. Today I'm here with this 100% herbal shampoo. This shampoo is chemical free. Yeah, it is 100% chemical free. You can use this shampoo, your daughter can use this shampoo, your son can use this shampoo, your husband can use this shampoo, or your significant other can use this shampoo. Everyone, even the dog, can use this shampoo because it is absolutely safe and is chemical free. Like, who doesn't want that? All right. So I have gathered all of my ingredients here, and I'm going to be using 1 tablespoon of each ingredient with the exception of the bay leaves. I use 6 bay leaves for my shampoo. Alright family, so I see that some of the bags with the ingredients in them don't have a name, so you don't know the name of the ingredients, of course, because there's no name written on it. Like the fenugreek I'm about to use has a name on it, but there are some bags with no name. So I think it's only fair to call the names of all the ingredients that I'm using for this herbal shampoo. So that is the dried rosemary leaves. I also use my hibiscus, star anise, fenugreek, like I said, green tea leaves, dried lavender, kalonji seeds, aka the black seeds, bay leaves, and is that it? Yeah, I think that's it. So recap. Star anise, hibiscus, that is the hibiscus that I'm using, dried rosemary leaves, fenugreek leaves, green tea leaves, kalonji seeds, aka the black seeds, lavender, dried lavender, and bay leaves. Those are the ingredients that I use for this herbal shampoo. So now that I have all my ingredients in the jug, it's time to add in the hot water. After adding the hot water, you want to stir it and then cover it up. This is going to sit on the countertop for 2 hours. After 2 hours, grab your sifter and your container. You are going to sift your tea, your herbal tea, into another container, and that is where you are going to mix your shampoo. Alright family, it has been over 2 hours and this is how the herbal tea looks. So you have this very rich liquid. You want to stir it, grab you a container. You can grab a container or bowl or a measuring cup like I have here, anything that is convenient for you. You want to grab that, and that is where you are going to be sifting your herbal tea. So I've already sifted mine. Now I'm going to be adding in my pure castor soap. I am going to be using 2 tablespoons of the castor soap to 1 cup of the tea. So I have 2 cups of the tea here. So I have to measure 4 tablespoons of the castor soap. So that is 2 tablespoons to 1 cup of your herbal tea. After adding in the castor soap, I went ahead and stir it and then transfer my shampoo into my applicator bottle. You want to grab a bottle that is not going to waste your shampoo. This is a fortified shampoo. It is natural, it is chemical free. We don't want to waste it, okay? So grab an applicator bottle and transfer that into your bottle. Transfer the shampoo into your bottle. Alright family, so after doing all of this, I went ahead and I washed my daughter's hair using this 100% chemical free shampoo. This shampoo contains many minerals and vitamins that your hair is going to love. It also contains antibacterial, antifungal, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. So this shampoo is very, very rich. Like I said, your hair is going to love it. Alright family, this is me making sure that my daughter hair is fully saturated. Now I'm going to go in with my shampoo. I just want to put this out there. On the first wash, if you notice that the shampoo is not lathering very well, or if it's not foamy, do not be bothered by that, and do not use a lot of shampoo on the first wash. That is going to be a waste, because the first wash, it is you getting rid of all the buildup, all the products you've been using over time, the oils and all of those things. That is you getting rid of all of those. So do not be so concerned about the shampoo not lathering on the first wash. When you go in with the second wash, you are going to notice the shampoo will start to foam, or it will begin to lather well. All right, I just want to put that out there so you don't waste your shampoo. All right, family, if you made it this far in the video but haven't yet smashed that subscribe button, please don't hesitate to do so. You can go ahead and smash that subscribe button to become a member of this amazing family. We would love to have you here. And also, please, family, don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video.
The stars about to let us know how to grow, but we're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? You like fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy.
Alright, y'all, so we are done with the washing and the conditioning phase. We are going to move on to applying the hairspray to her hair. So the hair tea, the leftover hair tea, we will be using that on our hair every day. I usually do that during the week. I make my hair tonic or my hairspray. I have a sister on here. Her name is Damaris Rodriguez. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. If I didn't, I am so sorry. Her name is Damaris, and on my last video, she was like, I use those ingredients to make my hair tonic. And I was like, oh my God, that is so cool, because I do the same thing too. Family, you can make your hairspray or your hair tonic every week or as often as you like, and make sure to use it on a daily basis, okay? You can use it in the morning or during the day or even at night before you go to bed. Just go ahead and spray your hair with the hair tea or the hair tonic, all right? And you can use any ingredients that you have, any natural ingredients that you have. Just make sure you are making those hairspray, all right, family? Because your hair is going to benefit a lot from doing that. So yeah, shout out to Damaris. And now after applying the hairspray, I'm going in with my oil. The oil is going to be used as a sealant to lock in all those good benefits that the hairspray has, like all the vitamins, the minerals, and all of those things. I'm just going to lock it in with my hair oil. If you didn't get to watch the video on how to make this amazing growth oil, I'm going to leave it down in the description box below. You can check it out. All right, family, keep watching, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up.
Losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? You like fast life, you like to drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, you like when you feel caught in the midnight. You got the best of me.
Alright, y'all, so this is how you can make this amazing herbal shampoo. We are almost at the end of today's video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like the video. This natural shampoo consists of so many natural ingredients that your hair is going to love. And if you are concerned about the fenugreek, the star anise took over that pungent odor of the fenugreek. It did its thing, y'all. This shampoo smells amazing and your hair is going to love it. Also, don't forget to make your weekly hair tonic or your hair spray. So this is all I have for you guys today, family. Thank you all for watching again. Please don't forget to smash that subscribe button if you aren't a member of this family. Love you guys. Have a blessed weekend and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.